There's a rhythm inside, it's written in light. Not something to chase, but something to guide. The stars left a whisper, the chart holds the sound. Your soul's sacred story in symbols unbound. This is the map, the sacred map within. And truth, the patterns you live from your age to your youth. Some carry challenge, some offer peace, each one a part of the whole you release. This is the map, the sacred map within. The chart reflects